so many goddamn chair shots. It's fucking believable. Yeah.
It's my birthday today! Yeah! I got an awesome present.
Huh? Hey guys! You're in there! Don't touch your motherfucker! How we doing? We having them? Yes! A while ago. They got us! Oh, they got us! Tear it apart! My face was beaten! Head was smashed! Finger was pulled! Crying in pain!
And all fucking pissed off and riled up. About this you were if the roles were and the song is basically like this. Fuck you. It's kind of why I've been making videos lately, but But I wear my hat. I want to wear my hat in the classroom. Proper grammar there. I just want to wear it in the classroom. I'm going off on a tangent. Well, price mass. Hello, YouTube community. I'm back. And I got another fucking issue. You know, I'm all wound up. I got another issue. 5 or 10 or 4 out of 5 or 5. That's really good. Bingo! So, how about some random noises? Some more war cries. Good night. The next day, so she had a finger. You just don't know the dates. Alright? I'm feeling a bit weird, but anyway, let's get on with the goddamn video. Alright? Fuck being vegan. Oh! Bitch. Anyway, this video is a bit long due to this fucking interruption, so everyone have a good day. Bye. And it's not a shit video. Fuck you, John.